for roundabouts. Out on 54, on approaching a roundabout. Take notice and act on all the information available to you, including traffic signs, traffic lights and lane markings, which direct you into the correct lane. You should use mirrors, signal, maneuver at all stages. Decide as early as possible which exit you need to take, given appropriate signals.
Fuel 186 below.
Time your signal so as not to confuse other road users. Get into the correct lane. Adjust your speed and position to fit in with traffic conditions. Be aware of the speed and position of all the road users around you. 1885. When reaching the roundabout, you should give priority to traffic approaching from your right, unless directed otherwise by signs, road markings or traffic lights. Check whether road markings allow you to enter the roundabout without giving way. If so, proceed, but still look to the right before joining. Watch out for all other road users already on the roundabout. Be aware they may not be signaling correctly or at all. Look forward before moving off to make sure traffic in front has moved off. 1886, signals and position. When taking the first exit to the left, unless signs or markings indicate otherwise, signal left and approach in the left-hand lane. Keep to the left on the roundabout and continue signaling left to leave. When taking an exit to the right or going full circle, unless signs or markings indicate otherwise, signal left and approach in the left-hand lane. Keep to the left on the roundabout and continue signaling left to leave. When taking an exit to the right or going full circle, unless signs or markings indicate otherwise, signal right and approach in the right-hand lane. Keep to the right on the roundabout until you need to change lanes to exit the roundabout. Signal left after you have passed the exit, before the one you want. When taking any intermediate exit, unless signs or markings indicate otherwise, select the appropriate lane or approach to and on the roundabout. You should not normally need to signal on approach. Stay in this lane until you need to alter course to exit the roundabout. Take no left after you have passed the exit, before the one you want. When there are more than 3 lanes at the entrance to a roundabout, use the most appropriate lane on approach and through it. 187. In all cases, watch out for and give plenty of room to pedestrians who may be crossing the approach and exit roads. Traffic crossing in front of you on the roundabout, especially vehicles intending to leave by the next exit. Traffic which may be straddling lanes or positioned incorrectly. Motorcyclists, cyclists and horse riders who may stay in the left-hand lane and signal right. If they intend to continue round the roundabout, allow them to do so. Long vehicles, including those towing trailers, these might have to take a different course or straddle lanes, either approaching or on the roundabout. Because of their length, watch out for their signals. 18A mini roundabouts approach these in the same way as normal roundabouts. All vehicles must pass round the central markings rules except large vehicles which are physically incapable of doing so. Remember, there is less space to maneuver and less time to signal avoid making U-turns at mini roundabouts. Beware of others doing this. Laws RTA 1988 Sect 36 and TSRGD Regs 10 and 16.
89.
At double mini roundabouts, treat each roundabout separately and give way to traffic from the right. 1484 54 14 14 Ota 40 119 Alta for roundabouts at some complex junctions. There may be a series of many roundabouts at each intersection. Treat each mini roundabout separately and follow the normal rules, the official highway code.